Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your device. First of all, go into Moto app. Now click on those three lines at the top left corner and select personalize at the top. Finally, click on Styles and select the best one for you, in my case Bloom. When you're ready, click on Apply, and as you can see, theme of my Motorola has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings and customize it by choosing this plus icon instead. Now select font style, click on next after every step, select color of your icons, shape of them, and layout. Now name your theme however you wish to. I will go with red. Choose next one more time and tap on apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed again. If you wish to delete one of your customized themes, go into the same settings, apply a different one. I will go to the default one. Select one of the custom ones and tap on this edit icon at the top right corner. Now click on bin one at the top right corner as well and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!